A few inches later.
Kunyari, dito. Oo. Nalalagay din naman. Work din naman. Buttermilk and red dye. Yes. Kami yung nagugas sa plates.
Saan nagugas? Magdadry lang ako.
See you later.
Close.
Oh yeah.
That's cute. Can I say bird?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Puto. You know puto?
What about put that?
Your dad, yeah. Sean Kingston. Hindi ka ma...
Tikim nga daw sa kutsara. 1, 2, Uy, hindi mo gagawin.
Wait.
A few inches later.
I watched last night. Kasi. So hard pala. Oh, it's so well.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
2 and 1.
2 anyone.
Ay! Mamaya na ulit.
Sila guys. Hanapin niyo na lang si Riley. Where's Riley?
Atin sa mga...
Hindi mo may tsura yan, no?
Ayun, DJI.
Diyan ikaw muna! So, dami nasa pader, guys. May kasama kami, yay!
A few moments later.
Ikaw nakakingit, sir. Whoa.
A few moments later.
Ulo ko lang. After skating.
Wala.
A few moments later.